Hello student, today we are going to learn key step in machine design, that means general procedure in machine design. Number 1, defining the problem. Understand what the machine need to do. Figure out, that means figure out what the machine need to do, understand how it should work and what it will be used for. Number 2, selecting material. Choose material that will handle the forces and condition the machine will face. That means choose the right materials for the machine based on strength, weight and how the machine will be used. For example, strong metal for heavy parts and lightweight material for small parts. Number 3, creating blueprint. Draw details plan for how each part will fit together. That means draw details plan or diagram showing how each part of the machine fits together. This is like a roadmap for building the machine. Number 4, testing and improving. The design will be tested and make improvement to make sure. Once the machine is built, test it to see if it works well. If there is any problem or things that could be better, make changes to improve it. Okay. Number 5, making the machine. Build the machine according to the design. That means finally build the machine based on the design and blueprint, and then actual construction or manufacturing happens. Okay. Machine design makes sure machines are safe, strong and can do the job without breaking down. That means machine design is about making machines that are safe, strong and work properly without breaking. It is used to design everything from basic tool to big, complicated thing like car or factory machine. Engineers carefully choose material and design to make sure machines can handle stress and last a long life. Okay.